1, 2, the cut down. We are going to be talking about Airtags. Apple Airtags. Okay, so this is first going to put it out there. Oh, this had been overleaked. It's coming out at this event. It's coming out at this event. It's coming out at that event. It's coming out at this event. That event's going to have it. It's going to be at this event. That event's going to have it. Oh, seriously. Forget leaks, rumors as well have just been so spun. People just wake up spinning rumors for content out there and hearsay. Forget even leaks. The rumors are just out of control. Oh my goodness. At least these were not dead before arrival like AirPower. So AirTags are official, and obviously this is Apple's attempt at going against the tile-based system from Tile in terms of being able to search for your products using the homing beacon that's in your little tag, right? And this is all based on improving the Find My network. They look interesting. I have to say, in Apple's keynote presentation, this is where their presentation, their marketing, and how they bring themselves forward, they really know how to make something seem way more than what it is, and they can easily suck you in. I got sucked in. The way they showcased in that little promo bit, of the AirTags really did suck me in. I'm just gonna be honest, and I'm gonna be straight up. But I think they're being hyped up a bit too much. I think the pricing is good though, and the design is flawed but also very good. It's flawed but it's very good. So we're gonna look into that. Right. AirTag, lose your knack for losing things. Right. Okay. And again, the roundup that I did on Lover of Tech, I pretty much went through on this, but we're breaking it down for the cut down here. Right. AirTag is a super easy way to keep track of your stuff. Attach one of your keys, attach one to your keys, slip another into your backpack, and like that, you are on the radar for the Find My app, where you can also track it down. £29 for one. It's going to be available in the next 4 days as of this recording. So these are all the loops that are sold. The Hermes one just really did me for the price. You can customize them with your own emojis as well. That's been put on there. Ping, find it. Okay, so this is in conjunction with precision finding. So the precision finding is compatible with these devices. You're looking at the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and all the iPhone 12 series. If you have anything before the iPhone 11, you will not get the specific precision finding capability. So cold, warm, hot water, hot, warm or hot. If your AirTag is nearby, your phone can lead you straight to it with precision finding. You will see the distance to the AirTag and the direction to head, all thanks to ultra wideband technology. That's the U1 chip. That's impressive though. That is impressive from the demonstrations that I saw. How does it work? Your AirTag sends out a secure Bluetooth signal that can be detected by nearby devices on the Find My network. These devices can send a location of your AirTag to iCloud. Then you can go to Find My app and see it on the map. The whole process is autonomous and also encrypted to protect your privacy, and it's efficient, so there's no need to worry about the battery life or data usage. Okay. Yeah, we will see as that goes. Lost mode makes finding things even easier. Just like that, the AirTag can be put into lost mode, and when it's detected by the device in the network, you automatically get a notification, and you also see someone else. Okay, cool. Privacy is built in. From what we can see here, it's to discourage unwanted tracking. If someone else's AirTag finds its way into your stuff, your phone will notice it's traveling with you and send you an alert. After a while, you still haven't found it. The AirTag can still be playing, can start playing a sound to let you know it's there. Of course, if you happen to be with a friend who has an AirTag or on a train with loads of people, don't worry. These alerts are triggered only when the AirTag is separated from its owner. Okay, beautiful and simple, right? So it's a one-tap setup. Again, as we've come to know from before. If we go to buy, you should see the 4-pack for £99. Now, keys, it can't fit in the wallet. That's one downside to the design, depending on what wallet you have. Backpack, yep. And some people were saying a pet. I wouldn't advise it. Let's look at the Hermes one. Bruh, what is this for the pricing? Hermes, my days. So yeah, that is pretty much what we've seen with the Airtags. Right now, I think they're overhyped. I think it's great. It's great that they've put a user replaceable CR2 battery in there, which is pretty much the same as what you find on your clock or your watch or something like that, I believe. It's a coin size one. It lasts a year apparently, is user replaceable, which is great to see. And you've got the IP rating on there. I think IP67 or IP68, I can't remember. You got the ingress protection on there as well, which is great. It's limited to iPhones. Again, that's not really much of a surprise, but there's a level of overconfidence for Apple to feel that it just being on an iPhone is the way forward. But that's just standard procedure for Apple. They did that for everything. Apple Watch, flipping HomePod, for goodness sake. So yeah, I guess the standard part of the course. I hope the product production of the AirTag, when it comes to the design, improves, because they need to have a slimmer profile. They do need to have a slimmer profile in there personally. These look decent, they look great. They're here, but I just feel like a lot more people, unless you're a genuine person that loses stuff, and you have an iPhone and you only be using an iPhone, and especially getting one, the value to getting 4 of them is there. But even if you get the one and it's just for your keys, and you put like a more, discreet loop on there, and it looks more coveted together, yeah, it looks more like a keyring. I think that works. I think Tyler's still in a good place. They're AirTags, I guess. I don't know what else would you really want and expect in that retrospect, right? They do what they need to do. The Find My network is really what Apple are developing. I don't really think the AirTags right now are really what it's all really focused on. I think the Find My network is what really is the selling point in terms of what Apple are saying, the privacy integration, how it locates, how it uses to track items but not people, the lost mode, all these things put into consideration. Yeah, AirTags would be something that works well, especially if you're an iPhone user, especially with the iPhone 11 and above, especially with the U1 chip that's in there, and obviously with the ability to ping sound, and it notifies. In that sense, it looks decent. It does look decent. So yeah, these are AirTags, and I'm glad they're official. They need to develop it. They need slimmer profile ones that really compete. The price is actually good for what it is versus the competition, especially if you go for the 4-pack. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it for the AirTags. And yeah, those are pretty much my thoughts and my opinions on the new Apple AirTags.